Hi, welcome to my channel. This is your sewing teacher, and today I'm bringing you something really special. It's a super lazy Sunday, which is why I look like this, but I am going to reverse tie-dye using bleach with my 15-year-old son and my 18-year-old daughter on commentary on the camera. Enjoy this one.
That's such a safe way to protect your hand, just putting a bag on it.
Alright.
Okay, so...
Wait.
Okay.
It's already bleached too. And don't post it.
No.
No, because you want to post stuff that doesn't work too.
Not everything's perfect, dude.
Here.
I still feel like we should have gloves.
What?
Okay, don't pour it right on. You're rinsing the bleach off of it.
Go on the sides.
Pour it right there. Okay, one more. Do you fill it so that...
This is why I need more bleach then.
That's what I'm doing.
Oh, we're just using the entire thing of Clorox.
Well, it's half and half. Half
Okay.
water, half Clorox, right? Don't pour it on the tissue. All right. Hi. We just need a weight to hold it down
Why?
so that it's totally submerged.
So take it out and then we put this on. So it lets the bleach do its thing.
No, keep it in here.
Why?
Because I said so.
That's rinsing it off.
It's not rinsing it off, dude. It's sitting in a solution of bleach and water.
It's gonna rinse.
It's not.
What do you... Okay.
There's a whole bucket of bleach in there. It's gonna still bleach.
Alright.
At least if it turns out badly, you can blame mom.
You just do it again. You just keep going. If you take,
Bleach the whole shirt, so it's like what?
it wouldn't go white.
Oh.
But if you,
Why are you sitting like that, Jack?
she's
For a YouTube video, bro?
videoing you.
Huh?
She's videoing you.
Stop! What? For mom's YouTube channel, not me, alright? It's really changing color. You see?
Beginning to.
Leave it in for a while longer, I think. Oh, I just hit the table, huh?
Give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you think you're gonna like some of the others, please subscribe and press the like button. Don't forget, the bell gives you notifications every time that I post a video. Videos come on Sundays. Have a great week.